Okay. We're online now. All right, so we tried these in the field and at Alpha, and 2 out of the 3 days they worked great. No problems with the battery life. The new watch actually works quite well, and had good battery life. So across, a 3.5 hour ish concert time frame, they lasted, or rather, they got drained down to from like 100% to like 64%. So that's pretty good for control wise. But day 3, we had to use the backup mode. The backup mode where we, hold on a second here. Those whites are just a little bit too bright. And this will give us better depth of field. Sorry, manual focus camera. Manual aperture too. So that's the wheel that I was twisting. But day 3 couldn't get the Bluetooth pairing to work, and I'm not sure why. Because there were no problems in the first 2 days, and then on the 3rd day, the got to the venue early. There weren't that many people around. Pairing didn't work. Went out far away. Still couldn't get the devices to pair, and then ended up using the backup mode, just the button to control across different devices. Right, the mode where if you imagine, put these over to the side, right? Just with the person in control controlling the rest of the sticks this way, and that worked fine because because of the 1 second refresh I added the last minute in the last stream. Even though there isn't a relay resend logic here, the 1 second retransmit means that if we miss something, we'll catch up. The only thing is then there was no way to activate UO mode, because for some reason, I'm not sure why I did it, when you long press, it switches this to like fade transition mode, which doesn't make much sense. Really, I should have long press engage UO mode so that you can UO in the event that there's a problem. But question is, what was the Bluetooth problem? So let's see what the situation is now. What's going on here? What is going on here? Hello? Does thing need to be rebooted? Just booted up. Ooh, real laggy. Maybe it's because it just booted up. Needs a... Come on. It needs time to settle. Okay. Ooh, there we go. Quick task killer. Oh, yeah. Alright, that's better. Alright, that's a bit better. Alright, now let's see if we can launch this. Let it go. Ooh, now that's interesting. In a bad way. This is it's not an environmental problem. What on earth happened? Okay, so, turn on. Whoa. Well, I mean, the Bluetooth stack's a little is often flaky when it first starts, but, come on. Something is wrong. Something is wrong with the BLE stack? So the watch, same problem as we were having when we were there. When we were there, the watch scanning, device connected, then comes back on the third day, even though there were no changes. So let's see. You see, no problem seeing it here. And then, bam. I can connect to it. I've got the advertisement data. So no problems connecting to the device. Normally. Alright, so is it a watch problem? It's like it's a watch problem, but that doesn't make any sense because let's say I go into the Wear OS app, it can connect to the phone. So no problems getting connected to the phone. But somehow there's a problem connecting to the sticks. A problem that manifested itself between day 2 and day 3. That makes no sense. That makes no sense. How could it be busted this way? Okay, so according to the Git log, I have uncommitted changes. Uncommitted changes. Why? Okay, so the diagnostic procedure is going to have to be something at the Android level. I mean, it's not that hard to figure out what needs to be done. I have the other watch, the older watch. This watch has much worse battery life. So I'm gonna have to compare same code base, different watch, see if there's any difference, and then see if there's something I messed up in code. I mean, I did make changes to the code, but nothing between day 2 and day 3. So I'm just going to have to look at any of the recent changes and compare the behavior on these two watches. That'll take some setup, so I'm not going to it'll be boring to watch. So let me set that up, and then maybe I'll do this for the next stream.